In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop members from adding or removing users on a Trello board. This is a useful feature if you want to ensure that only specific people have the authority to manage board memberships, keeping the collaboration organized and controlled. So, let's get started. First, you need to open your Trello board where you want to manage these permissions. Once you have your board in front of you, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll notice a three-dot icon located there. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. This menu provides several options to customize and control your board settings. Among these options, you'll want to select Settings to begin. When you click on Settings, a series of options will display. Within this area, keep your eyes out for a section titled Permissions. This is the area where you can adjust who has the ability to do what within your board. Understanding your permissions is key to managing your team effectively, so it's helpful to get acquainted with this section. Under Permissions, you'll see an option labeled Adding and Removing Members. Clicking on this will present you with different setting options. To restrict membership changes, set this to Admins. By selecting Admins, you ensure that only those users with admin privileges can add or remove members from the board. This is an excellent way to make sure that your board doesn't experience unexpected changes or disruptions, as only trusted individuals are allowed to modify member access. And there you go. With just these few simple steps, you've now successfully set specific permissions that control who can add or remove members from your Trello board. This adjustment can be particularly beneficial for larger teams or complex projects where maintaining control over who has access is crucial. That's all there is to it. This small change can significantly enhance the security and manageability of your Trello boards, ensuring that only the right people have the necessary control. Remember, keeping your team organized and maintaining proper permissions is vital for productive collaboration and smooth project execution. Whether you're a seasoned Trello user or just starting, these simple yet powerful tips can help streamline your work processes. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to check back for more tips and tricks to enhance your Trello experience. Happy organizing!